Do you want to be able to fix YouTube Shorts thumbnail not changing? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm actually going to talk about this exact problem and help you solve this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So as you can see, I'm currently on my YouTube app right now. And let's say that you've actually uploaded a couple of shorts and you wanted to change the thumbnail on them, but when you go into the shorts feed you don't actually see any changes to that thumbnail whatsoever. Well, you are able to change the thumbnail, but in the there's like a shorts feed, right, where you're able to view all of the shorts that you have, like that basically is recommended to you, right, or your own shorts feed as well, you can see. And in there you will not be able to actually change the thumbnail on them. Unfortunately, as of right now, it is not possible. You only get like a custom thumbnail or like a custom, a preview from YouTube based on the video that you uploaded. And unfortunately, you're not able to change it there. But if you want to change it to like the recommended, for example, if you go into the YouTube homepage, for example, and you want to be able to change it there for people if the shorts is recommended to them straight on the, like when they're browsing basically, then you are able to change it in there, just so you know, but not for the shorts feed itself, unfortunately. I hope that you understand what I mean. So basically, as of right now, it is not possible to change it on the shorts feed, but it should be possible to change it to like the home and browse feed basically. So yeah, this is exactly how you can actually do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.